Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to analyze labor trends in Gusto. Are you trying to understand how your labor costs are shifting over time? Gusto gives you tools to track labor trends so that you can make smarter hiring, scheduling, and budgeting decisions. Let's go over how to access and analyze this data. Step 1. Log into your Gusto dashboard. Begin by logging into your Gusto account, and from the main dashboard head straight to the report section that's on the left hand side. Step 2. Select the labor trends report. Now inside the report section, just scroll until you see the labor trends report. Now this report is designed to show patterns in your payroll expenses and headcounts over time. Step 3. Set your date range. Now use the filter to choose a specific date range. It could be weekly, monthly, quarterly, or custom, whatever it is, because this helps you to narrow down the trends that you want to explore. Step 4. Review the key metrics. Now look through key metrics like total payroll cost, employee count changes, overtime trends, and department-specific labor stats. You often see charts or graphs that make the trend visually easier to digest. Step 5. Compare periods. Now Gusto may allow you to compare one period to another. For example, this quarter versus last quarter. This is great for spotting sudden increase or decrease in cost or staffing. Step 6. Export the data. Now if you want to run further analysis in Excel, or you just want to share it with others, you can click the export button to download the report as a spreadsheet or PDF. That's it. Now that you've got a clearer picture of your labor trends using Gusto, whether you're planning to grow your team or optimize cost, these insights can be a game changer. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.